So yesterday, most of our actions are completed. Okay. So on new class, this is what actually keyboard actions. Okay. So why keyboard actions? So open the link in new tab. Okay. So open the link in new tab plus what? Control plus click. You can click on new tab is open. So set is not allowed in the index. So we can convert. So get method is not available in the set collection. Okay. So that's why convert a set into list. Then only you can get actually. Okay. We can get the method. Okay, so what are the keyboard actions? Control A, you know that. So Control A means what? Select all. Okay, Control C means what? Control copy the text. Tab means what? And jump to the next text box. Okay, or shift to the next text box. So Control me means was paste the text. So that's why we can use testcompare.com in that. Okay, so see this example testcompare.com https colon okay double slash www.testcompare.com. Okay. testcompare, testcompare.com. See this one is open. So one page will be opened. Okay. See this here one page is there and here one page is. So if you want to copy this one and paste this one. So both are comparison. So that's why in these blocks we can use what? This test compare one. Okay. Using through automation here. So that's why first see this one. You can give any names like what this one. I can write the code first, okay? So you can copy this one, testcompare.com, Control C, okay? So see here, manually what? I can copy and paste the code into another page, okay? So copy and paste the code into another page. Will it be possible? So you can possible through that one. It is working or not, we can check it, okay? So wait, okay? See here what is keyboard actions. You can write one sample code. See this one in sample code. I can erase this all the code. Okay. So I can remove this code. So in place of this URL, old URL, we can click what testcompare.com. Okay. So see this one. This is what testcompare.com. Okay. Now what next? Driver.window.maximum is also complete. Next what? Identify the object, then enter the data. So identify the object and only then enter the data. So left side box is there. Okay, left side check box. So you can give the send keys. Okay, automation. So save like that. Okay, right text check box and inspect the element. Here, okay, this is what? This is a test box. This box contains what? Name, roles, class, input test. Okay. So, but input test is same. So class name will be same. So that's why don't take this class name. Okay. So you will go through ID or name. Okay. Whatever it is. So I can go through the name here. Okay. Test one, control C, test one. Okay. So now find the identify the element and find the partner. Okay. So driver dot. Okay. Driver dot find element. Okay. So driver dot find element pi dot. So I will pass what name here. Yeah, this same name. See this one. This is my name or not. Okay. So next in that checkbox we can pass some keys, right? So that's why I can apply what send keys here. So my send keys is I can give like automation AUTO MAT AOM automation. I can give like this. Okay. So same like this. After okay. After writing this one. So after writing this one, next what? Select the test. So select the test automation. Okay, select the test and pressing means what? So control is down here. So pressing means control is down there. Now you can perform some actions. Okay, so that's why action equal to new actions. Next what? Driver. Okay. So now I can perform my actions. So first action is what I can copy the, okay. See here, example. First I can enter the test. So I can enter the test means what? Automation. I can enter the test. Okay. I can enter the test automation. Next what? After I can click control A. So control A means what? Selected. Okay. Next what? Control C. So after selecting the control C, next what? We can paste the code here. So control A, control C, control V. So both are pasted. Next we will go through what? Tab also here we can perform what? Tab. So tab is also performing in these situations. Tab is also performing in these situations. So wait, we can apply the tabs also. Okay. So automation I can pass the send keys. Next what? Next I can copy the code. So I can copy the code means we can apply what? See this one. So action dot. Okay. Key first what? So we can key, you can press control C means for control C, control A, you can what? You can press the control or not. So that's it down. So if you click on keyboard, so the button is okay, goes down. So that's why here we can use what? Down first. Okay, down dot keys dot what? Control. Okay, keys dot CON. Okay. So keys dot control. Next what? So after that we can pass the send keys or not. So that's why I can pass the send keys. So which send keys? A. Y means A. So control A. So this one. We can keys down control plus A. Next what? Okay. Next control. So see this one. After release the control. Okay. So that's why key down. Key down. Next key up is there. So key up keys dot. Okay. Control. So next what? Create an action and complete an action. For create action, we can use what? Build here. So for create an action, we can use build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Next, complete an action, we can use what? Perform. For create an action, we can use perform. Okay. So why you are using this? Key down means, so if you click on the control buttons, the keyword is, the key is what? Pressing down. So that's why key down, control key down. So next after what? So we can, after control, we can click on which one? A. So that's why A is the send keys here. So next what? We can release the control or not. So that's why release the control means up. So again, key is, the button is coming to up. So that's why it is called as control. Next what? We can create an action and we can complete an action. This is what? This is control A. So same like that, we can apply for what? Control C. Okay. So see this one. Control C. Same. Okay. So just C only change it. A only change it. Okay. So control A, control C. Next what? Next tab. So why tab? So actually, see this one. Control A. So you can click on this automation. Control A. So control means what? Select or not? Okay. Next what? Control C. Control C means what? Copy is there. Next we will go to our next tab. So next tab means we will use what? Tab option. So that's why in these cases we can write this tab. Okay. So next tab means what? Action dot. Okay. Key down. Key down. Keys. What? Tab. Okay. So here we cannot pass any send keys. That's why key down, key up only. Key down, key up. Okay. So key up means keys dots. What? Tab again. Okay. So next what we can perform and we can create an action for build and we can complete an action for perform. Okay. So control A, select all, select the test, copy the test, and we will click on the tab next box. So three are complete. Next what we can apply? Control V method. So control Z. So see this one, same method I can apply for control V also, same statement. So I can write the statement like this. So in place of C, we can write what? Control V. Okay. So now save the file. It is working. Okay. Through automation or not, we can check through this code. First browser launched. After launching the browser, okay. So it is maximized the window. After launching the browser, we can maximize the window. Then first box is filled with text send keys automation. And after it can be controlled, select the control keys and copy the keys and next that you can paste the same code. I think it gives some time. So please wait. Why this time means actually I can write implicit wait statement. Okay. So that's why it takes so much of time. Okay, automation is completed or not? So see this one automation is completed here. Okay, and paste it also. It is possible through automation. Yes, it is possible through automation. Okay. Next what Control Shift A is also available. Control Shift A. Okay. So it is working or not, we know, we don't know actually, but what we can perform an actions. Control Shift A. Okay. So same we can write like that one. Control Shift A. Control first what key down control, next key down shift to next A. Okay. We can write like this. See this one. This is what Control A, Control C. Okay. Control C. This one. Control V is down dot. Again what? Key down. Again dot key down. You can write here keys dot. So control is complete. Next what shift. Okay. So same like that keys up and next keys up. KEYS is sorry keys up. Key up. Key up. So in that key up we can write what keys dot shift. Okay. So this is the code. Okay. So next what we can perform actions or not. So next action is what action dot key down enter and keys up enter and build and perform. Okay, key down enter, key up enter and build and perform. We can same like that. Key down, key up, build perform. We can like this one. Control C, Control V. But here in place of tab we can write what enter. Okay. So keys up, keys up tab and so now run the file. What is the output? We can check this one. So before writing the code, wait. So why means actually I can close this one. I can remove the implicit wait statement. I can remove the implicit wait statement. Why means it takes so much of time. Okay. So now save the file and run it again. Is working or not? It's launching browsing completed. After launching the browser, maximize the window. But here what? It is not maximized. Why it is not maximized? It takes some time. Okay. Okay. I think it is not working. Okay. Control Shift A. Copy. Select all. Okay. You can write like this method also. The previous one are you understood? So previous one is the correct program. Okay. So you can follow that one. I can erase this. Okay. So next. Get tooltip test from web element. Okay. Get tooltip test from web element. So if you know the Flipkart page or you know the Flipkart page. So see this one. I can open one Flipkart page. So wait here. Test compare close. That Flipkart method we will discuss in next class. Okay.